What's up, DJ Tech Tools? My name is Ian Golden. Today, I'm here to review the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 300, which I think should probably be renamed DJ Impulse Control 300, because that's what we could all use, a little impulse control. But actually, I think this is a pretty good controller if you're a beginner DJ who's just looking to get started and you know nothing about DJing. You don't know what software to get, you don't know what controller to get, you just know that you might possibly be this next Tiesto that nobody's yet discovered. One thing I should say is that this is a paid review. They did send us this controller and say, please review it. So here's my review. First, pretty sweet deal. This little thing is $199, including DJ software, DJ lessons, intelligent music assistant, tempo matching, beat alignment, beat match guide, and so much more. So, how did it pan out? Turns out some of the things they promised were actually pretty cool, some were less cool, some were just super entertaining. But the bottom line, folks, is if you have no idea what you want to do, you're just curious about DJing, and you don't have a lot of money, this is a very easy way to get started. One of the things I really liked is that I was able to download this software and get it on my computer in about 2 minutes. I didn't have to enter any product keys. I didn't have to install a service center or any other kind of craziness. They just gave me the software and it connected to my computer and it started working. And that was pretty cool, especially if you're a new DJ and you don't want to jump through a whole bunch of stupid hoops. It includes a pretty generously sized controller with all the basics. You've got your mixer, you've got 1 decks, you've got 2 decks, you've got some outputs that'll go to your speakers that'll sit on top of your bar at the party that you're going to throw for all your friends. You've got headphone outputs, and you might even be able to mix some stuff because there are some really interesting tools here that I have to say aren't half bad. One big problem with beginners that I'm always harping on is get your eyes off the stupid screen. See DJs do this a lot, trying to figure out how to mix. And that would be like learning how to play the piano while staring at your shoes. You DJ with your ears, use your ears. So when you're learning how to DJ and you're trying to beat match, first thing that happens, unless you hit the sync button, which don't do it first, is the beats kind of get off. You gotta kind of figure out, is that off? Is that on? And this is DJing 101. So they have a little feature here called the Beat Match Guide. And it's showing me if the beat is aligned. Now, if I go to my song library and I load in one of the songs that came with the program, man, it's gonna work pretty good. Here we go, there's one, house volume 1, house volume 2. So now, you can see it's telling me it's off. And if I hit sync, it gets fixed. So I'm just gonna adjust that, and you see like this little guy is telling me it's behind, so go forward. Now it's in alignment. Not bad. So it's one thing that helps DJs learn how to DJ, and if you're buying this controller, that's probably you. Another thing that helps, I have to say, this was actually pretty sweet. Builtin Tutorials. It's true. They got Builtin Tutorials. You click on this little tutorial looking guy, you get a whole bunch of sweet videos that are well arranged and teach you how to do all kinds of things. And they happen to also be really good. So if you're a beginner, rather than going on YouTube and searching for things that might or might not apply and are probably using equipment that's not yours, the nice people at Hercules have organized a decent amount of tutorials right there that get you started and teach you the fundamentals of DJing, probably better than I could. So that's pretty sweet. So all the basics are here, right? You've got 2 decks, you've got some software, you've got a place to put in your headphones, got a place to connect those speakers, you've got some EQs, you've got some filters, and you even have some effects. not bad. Let's listen to what those sound like.
Do you want it?
Pulled out a little effect.
And if you had it, would you flaunt it?
There are effects.
Well, it's yours.
And they sound pretty good.
Do you want it?
It's a good beat delay. And we've got some nice filters.
Do you want it? And if you had it, would you flaunt it? Well, it's yours.
Not bad, not bad. You know, you're going to be able to DJ a pretty decent set with this guy. My only concern with this controller for new DJs, it's a minor one, but I think one that you definitely want to consider, is that, you know, when you start investing your time into a particular software as a new DJ, you're going to start investing a lot of your energy in bringing music in, learning the interface, and figuring out the whole world that these folks have created. So if you're really planning on going the distance with DJing, you know, you want to play in bars or clubs, or you want to make it a career, you might consider starting off on a platform that's going to continue with you as you progress. Juiced, or DJ Used, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, I'm pretty sure it's Juiced, is the DJ software that comes with this, and you know, it does all the things. Probably not going to be playing in big clubs or bars with it. So if you're just wanting to try out DJing, I actually think this is a really pretty hard to beat solution. $199, easy to download software included. It's got some music. You've got the tutorials. You've got the beat alignment assistant. It's actually, and it feels good. That's the crazy thing, you know? If we get a beat going back up, turn on vinyl mode.
Do you want it?
These jog wheels actually feel and work really well. The hardware, gosh, you know, I would have thought this was more expensive, to be honest. $199, pretty darn good deal. Probably can't go wrong. So that's my review of the DJ Control Your Impulses 300 from Hercules. My name is Ian Golden. This video is on DJ Tech Tools, which is a large community of information online to help you get more out of the world of DJing and music production.